guys, before I start this video, I want to say, do not be confused. It's still me. It's just a little Playmobil character story, and I'm still here. It's just a little bit of role play, and my name is not Ethan. Let's start. There's Logan, and there's Elfie, and there's Molly, plus Maisie. And there's Hannah. And there's Dad. But most of all, the great Eva.
Oh my god, I am dressed on this Preston Glaze. I just made this map so much better. Alright, so we have to keep Alright, so all we need to do is just like jump over this thing like a beast. Okay. Your head's gonna bang. Yeah. I have an idea.
Just gotta set up my kit.
What you want to do is hold down control.
Okay.
Wait, I think I know what we have to do. Alright, so hold down control. Okay. And hold W to go forward and just smash shift. Smash, not shift. Smash the space bar as hard as you can, as many times as you can.
Okay, I do that first.
Yeah, grab it.
Alright.
You should probably start where I'm starting.
Hello, everyone.
So, hold down control and smash space bar. Do it. Alright, I think you can do this. Only one of us has to hit the level.
Hello, everyone. If you don't know who I am, I am Ethan's father. Hello. Now, I don't like the whole idea of YouTube, so it's very weird how I would be here. But, Benji, come on, Benji. Yes, I have a dog. Now, this dog, no one knows he's here, so I have Ethan's case, which he keeps top secret in his secret room where I know where it is. And we're going to put Benji in there, and we're going to, which is his name? His name's Benji Cornflake or whatever. Now, their mates are around and some cool stuff, so can't wait to please everyone, and hopefully they'll have a fun time. Let's surprise Ethan, everyone. Okay, so, God, Benji, you're vicious. So if you don't know, we have a puppy. We do have a puppy, but unfortunately he's not here right now. And the reason why he's not here is not my fault. He had to go to the vets for a quick checkup, and he'll be gone all day. But we have our cat here, which some of you might know. We have a little, like I said, we have a little dog, but he's not here, unfortunately. Okay, so let's get this case, and let's put the dog in the case. Okay, so we have him in my hand. We're going to put him in the case. I thought I would put this in a video because I'm just weird like that. Now, his case doesn't really close too well, but it'll have to do. So, I'm going to put this chair here, and I'm going to ask Ethan and everyone else to come in. Obviously, there's going to be 2 chairs. Now, they can try and bundle themselves up on all of them. I have one more, but it's broken, but I guess they could use that as well. I'm just trying to make a good film set. If you want me to do more videos, write down below, because I won't, but I will try. Does that make any sense? I don't know. Write down in the comment section down below. But yeah, so he's in there. I'm going to put that in the middle of a room, but so it's facing you guys so they can't know what's inside. Now, shut up for a minute. Or we're going to just keep him over there for now. Now, they're going to find it weird how I'm not sat down, so they know something's going on. Because I always sit on this chair. Do you know it even has my name on it? That's pretty shocking. So, yeah. I'm going to put this chair in the middle because I feel like that can just go. Oh, I don't know. We're just going to use these 2 chairs. And time to call them in. Ethan!
So you're holding control, right?
Come up here!
Stick to me and then I'll give you...
Yeah, Dad, don't go behind there, go in front.
I don't have a weapon.
Yeah.
I think I said.
Sit down.
Do it.
On my chair as well, it does not matter.
Remember, we're all but down.
Sorry, I was forgetting.
That's 1 second time.
Alfie!
Okay.
Come here!
And, okay, so we need to...
Sit down.
Right now.
Okay.
Can I bring my mate up? Well, yes, bring your mate up. You can't leave him down by himself.
Yeah, wait, I'm gonna go this way. I like to tiny.
So you can sit on the ground. Oh, you're very nice, aren't you, Alfie? For making your friend sit on the ground. Okay, right. Should I put my mate up? Ethan, Matthew, come here.
I couldn't even do it.
It took so long.
Ethan, there's your mate. Make him sit down on the floor or something. I don't know.
Oh no.
Mates are sitting down on the floor, clearly. Okay,
Start spamming the space bar.
right. I want Hannah. Come in here.
I don't know.
Oh, just don't matter. Bring the babies with you. They don't mind.
Oh, I did it again. Oh, again. Oh, I'm winning.
Right, sit down.
I'm just giving this.
Take up a whole chair. What the hell? Someone's squeezing on there with you. Yeah, the cat. The cat's squeezing on there with me. Okay. Right. Molly, come here. Sit down. Perfect. You guys ready? Yeah! We have a surprise. You sure you're ready? Yeah! Ethan, come here. Sit down. On this chair. This is my work chair. Yeah, I know that's your chair. That's why you're sitting down in it. And Molly, sit up there. Okay. So, ready? Okay, so this here is a little package someone sent us, so we're going to open it. You ready? Right, I want you guys to move your chairs so they're there.
I think I hit it and I'm stuck.
I'm in the map.
Me too.
Where are you?
We beat the map.
Really, really hard.
Oh, you are?
No, you are.
Oh, I tried to.
I'm down another.
Right, you're all set down. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it's a dog! Another dog! Oh my god, it's a chihuahua. What's his name? Benji. Benji! What's his second name? Cornflake. Benji Cornflake. I love that. That's probably something I call him. I know. Oh my god, that's a little doggy. How old is he? He's just a puppy. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Right, someone call an ambulance. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Lay in there, lay in there, lay in there. Right. Oh, he's such a cute little puppy. You're welcome, Matthew. But you don't have a dog at your house. Dad, don't be moody. Okay. Right. Move. Don't. You don't get to play with the dog. Why? Because you just pushed your brother off the chair. Plus, it's my chair. You're going to break it. No, I am not. I'm not going to break it. Liar, you are. No, here, go in the detention bit. Go there. Okay. So, right, Alf. He's really cute. Cool. So, I've told him already that I'm filming videos. So, what do you want to say, Ethan? That was so much fun. I didn't actually expect you to do a video because you don't like the idea of YouTube. That was really fun, guys. Yeah, you did the outro last time, didn't you? Yeah. we got loads of comments on the last video, guys, of of Ethan the Great TV. So what we're going to try to do in the next video, we're going to do a prank, and we're going to do a prank on my sister, so, or anyone in my family. Yeah, on my sister. So, do you guys want to leave? Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe to Ethan the Great TV. Yeah! Oh yeah, guys, they're gone. I want to say quick, I might do a prank on one of them. Just don't tell them, okay? I let everyone borrow my camera, so I don't want them to see this. Okay, peace out.